Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. We're going to give you an update to Mexico Beach RV Park, El Governors. So here we are on Highway 98, Mexico Beach. The El Governor Hotel is under significant renovation, as you can see there. The RV park has been redone, reopened. It's been open a while now. I think I did a review in the spring as well. Walking down the sidewalk here in Mexico Beach. Still recovering big time from the hurricane. A lot of empty slots here. September 19th, 2021. A lot of travel trailers here. Looks like a lot of families bringing their kids down in these travel trailers. And a little traffic here. But with El Governor, you have very few people on the beach here. It's just a short walk across the Highway 98, and water has been calm here. A lot of shells I've noticed on the beach, so if your children are looking for shells, at least right now, there's lots of shells there. The nice folks here at El Governors. This is basically 17th Street, and there are a couple of eating establishments you can walk to, basically outdoor eating establishments for some very nice seafood. But I think all in, we're paying about 77 bucks a night, and that's taxes and everything. We have a Class C, as many of you know. But here's the entranceway, and of course 17th Street, and cleaning this up slowly. There's your walkway to the beach. There's basically no one on the beach. You want to go to a place where you got the beach to yourself. Obviously no high-rises around here. High-rises means lots of people on the beach. And I'll go ahead and walk you on down to where our RV is. And so it's kind of chert, or the rocky substance there around where the RVs are. I did notice some people went ahead and put their rugs out. Nice bathhouse here with showers and a laundromat, as you would expect. So you can get your laundry up to date here. Not bad, but here's our Winnebago view over here to the right. And we were a little bit worried being so close to the check-in point, but it was quiet. Nice and quiet here. But you do have some well-manicured areas here, since it is kind of been redone. And there you have it, folks. El Governor RV Park. Not bad for the money. Just a short walk to the beach, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews.